External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj returned from a week-long trip to Europe to find her Twitter timeline deluged with hateful tweets by trolls. The vicious trolls were angry that a passport officer in Lucknow, Vikas Mishra, who allegedly discriminated against a Hindu-Muslim couple, was initially transferred to Gorakhpur after the couple tweeted about their harrowing experience at his hands when applying for a passport. Sushma Swaraj decided to name and shame the abusive trolls. She tweeted back, "I was out of India from 17th to the 23rd of June. I do not know what happened in my absence. However, I am honored with some tweets. I'm sharing them with you, so I have liked them." The Congress's Twitter handle retweeted Sushma's tweet, saying, "No matter the situation or the reason, nothing calls for threats of violence and disrespect and abuse. We applaud you for your decision to call out the heinous trolls of your own party."